Hello, what's up guys? It's your boy Africa LB. So guys, I'm right here in Antwerp, Belgium. And guys, this is the second largest city in Belgium, and this is the train station right here in the train station. Look how beautiful the train station is. It's one of the most busiest train station in Belgium, and it's my first time in this city. It's my first time. See how beautiful. It looks so beautiful, fantastic and nice. So let me take you outside. And today the weather is so good, nice. Today is the 16th of February. So let me take you outside and see something unique, like it's a beautiful day, beautiful weather. So it's my first time in this city. It's so populated, man. Just see it. It's crazy things going on here, man. You know what I'm saying? Look at the buildings, beautiful. We got a lot of restaurants, bar, hotels, and so on. This is the back side of the train station. This is the back side. And just look, this is the building. Beautiful. See how beautiful the train station is. It's fantastic. So I'm gonna leave now. I'm done for today. Please don't forget to follow my Facebook page for Kids Travel View, and also on TikTok, LB Ramos, and on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Africa LB. So guys, I'm gonna leave you now. It was a great day today, you know what I'm saying? Beautiful weather.